to freepush.com, and this is my new project, news portal. And this project, it's an Android project, and I have developed in Android, Java, and for designing I have used the XML. As you know that we can design the Android screen using the XML files, and all of the business logic has been written in the Java. For database part, I have used the MySQL, and it's a totally API based project. So there is a admin panel also, and you can add news, and you can manage the categories, you can manage the news, and you can see all of the listings of the news portal news and the categories on the backend panel. So there are two parts of this image and this project. The first one is the Android project, and second one is the admin panel. So Android project is normal. It's a very basic project where you end user will be able to read the news, which will be added by the admin directly from the admin panel. Okay, so let's start with the project functionalities. Okay, so I am running the project again. So you can run the project from here. Just run app. I am using the emulator, and the emulator name is the Nexus 5x API 27. So I will demonstrate the app first, and after that I will demonstrate the admin panel. Right, so let's start with the so project is loading, and you can see the project has been loaded into the emulator, and you can easily deploy this project on your mobile also, but you need to configure the IP address of your API on your mobile phone. So if you are working on the Wi-Fi, then you can see the local IP address of your system where your admin panel has been deployed, and just configure that local IP address on your Android Studio and deploy that project, and your project will work perfectly on your system on your mobile phone. As well as you can test this project on your emulator also, Android emulator also, as I am running now. So okay, so this is the first page. As you can see that splash screen has been loaded already, but after that this is the recent news which I have added from the admin panel. And once you click on the image, means that news, then you will be able to read all of the news which is related to, which has been added by the admin. This is the favorite button. Once you click on this, then it will be added on your favorite news, right? Okay, so once you click on the other news, then you can read it also, and just click on that, and it will be added into favorite news. So favorite news means you will be able to read that news once you are offline in offline state also. There is no need for reading the favorite news in if you are offline. There is no need of internet connection to read the favorite news. Okay, so this is the menu which I have added, and you can change the text here also. So this is the recent news where currently I am, and you can click on that, and you will be able to read the news about that. Okay, so the second one is the news category, and these are the categories. Once you click on the category, then you will be able to get the news of that category also only. So there are 3 news in the cricket category, then you will be able to see the cricket news category. And once you click on the other category, just like Bollywood, then you will be able to see all of the news of the Bollywood. And once you click on this, then you will be able to read the news. Okay, so the next part is the favorite news. So favorite news is the same which I have added by clicking on that favorite icon. So once I click on that, then I will be able to see all of my favorite news. And once you click on this icon, then you will be able to read the favorite news here. Okay, so currently there are 2 favorite news, and if you want to add more favorite news here, just I am redeploying it. Okay, means that favorite news will be added in the favorite. So currently there are 2, and once I click on the recent news, and I am going on this and clicking on this favorite news, and that time the favorite news will be added in your favorite list. So there are 3 favorite news here. Okay, so this is the push notification. There is no working for this push notification. I have just added this screen so you can configure that push notification on your system. Okay, so this is all about that news portal which app which is running on the Android. Now I am showing the demonstration of the admin panel. So this is the admin panel which I have developed, and once you click on the sign in button, then you will be able to log in inside the admin panel. So this is the dashboard where it's showing there are 10 news categories, 30 total, and trending news count. So this is the normally count, and once you click on the news category, then you will be able to see all of the news category, right? And if you want to edit the news category, just click on that news, and particular you will be able to edit that news. And if you want to add more news category, just click on the add news category and just add the news title and select the image which you want to upload. And next one is the news item where you will be able to add the news. So for editing and deleting, there is a edit and delete, and if you once you delete, suppose I am deleting this top 3 news, okay, and then news items. Okay, so I have added all of the news category, and then this is the setting buttons where you will be able to enter the password, change the password of the system, and then log out. So this is the full about admin panel. Okay, and this project has been, as I already told you, that this project has been developed in Android, and for backend API I have used the PHP and MySQL, and this PHP and MySQL is returning the API to the Android Studio, right? If you need more functionality in this project, then put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes into this project. And don't forget to subscribe our channel freeposition.com. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.